Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on futuristic IT, advantage of computerization, e-waste and green computing. Let us learn about futuristic IT. The last 3 decades have witnessed the most technological changes on earth and beyond. Information technology has significantly changed the way we live and perform our daily routines. Futuristic IT refers to the describing the changes IT is expected to bring to our lives. Some of the changes that information technology will bring in are: first comes as virtual reality. Virtual reality is a stimulation of the actual experience which is computer generated. Let's check a video of a person who is playing game using VR accessories. It is often experienced using virtual reality headset or multi-projected environments, along with physical environment using props. The word prop means something you use as a support to generate realistic images, sounds, and other sensations that create an environment that gives the user an experience of reality. Secondly, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to a branch of science in which machines are used to find solutions to complex problems. Artificial intelligence is making machines acting and take decisions exactly as humans do. This generally involves borrowing characteristics from human intelligence and applying them as a software program in a computer friendly way. It aims at evolving systems with intellectual characteristics of human, such as the ability to reason, discover meaning, generalize, or learn from the past experience. Some of the activities that computers with artificial intelligence are designed for include voice recognition, planning, learning, problem solving. Let's check a video of a woman who is relaxing by application of artificial intelligence in daily life. For instance, let us understand the concept of artificial intelligence with an illustration. Companies such as Apple and Amazon have developed and market voice recognition systems, either to be built into an existing product, such as Apple with its Siri system, or developed a new product whose main function is voice recognition, such as Amazon and Alexa. A further simple example is that of Facebook and its process of recommending new friends for users to connect with. There are many more complex examples of artificial intelligence, but a common factor to both the simple and the more involved is machine learning. Now, let us know more about machine learning. Most recent advances in AI have been achieved by applying machine learning to very large data sets. Machine learning algorithms detect patterns and learn how to make predictions and recommendations by processing data and experience rather than by explicit programming instructions. The algorithms themselves then adapt a new data and experience to improve their function over time. Now, let us see how commerce students get benefit of AI by application of artificial intelligence in accounting. Despite the dramatic recent evolution in artificial intelligence techniques such as machine learning and the fast pace of its development, widespread adoption of the concept in the financial world is still in its relatively early stages. It is evident that in many cases, system can carry out tasks that result in far more accurate and consistent output than could be achieved by humans. Artificial intelligence bring many opportunity for accountants to improve their efficiency and deliver more value to businesses. In the long term, AI brings opportunity for more extensive developments as systems increasingly carry out decision making tasks that would otherwise be carried out by humans. There is no doubt that AI will contribute to significant beneficial changes across all areas of accounting. It will equip accountants with powerful new capabilities as well as enabling machines to deal with an increasing amount of task and judgment. Examples include using machine learning or to code accounting entries to recognize what constitutes normal activity in order to improve fraud detection, to forecast revenue with the use of predictive models, to improve access to and analysis of unstructured data such as contracts, emails, and multimedia content. Having identified many of the opportunities that AI can bring to the accountancy profession, we must appreciate that machine will never act as a direct replacement for human intelligence. The way in which humans and computers can work together in the most efficient way is therefore a key consideration. Next, let us learn the advantages of computerization. Most aspects of the economy, from the music industry to manufacturing, banking, retailing, defense, are now totally dependent on modern information processing system. Development in information technology provide company with new opportunities. Example like internet, access to corporate database, mobile computing, improved telecommunication structure. The value of computer system in handling and processing business data cannot be underestimated. The advantage of computerization include the following: speed, accuracy, volume, complexity, cost, presentation. We can discuss each advantage in detail. Firstly, speed, which means computers are ideal for dealing with repetitive process. The limiting factor, for example, in processing a payroll by computer are not the speed of the calculation by the computer, but the speed which data can be input and the speed of the printer at the output. Second one, accuracy. In general, computers do not suffer from errors or lapse of concentration but process data perfectly. Any mistake that computer make nowadays are not caused by electronic error but by human error. For example, at the input stage or in designing the programming software. Third one, volume. Not only do computers work fast, but they do not need to rest. They can work 24 hours a day when required. They are therefore able to handle vast volume of data. Fourth one, complexity. Once subsystems are computerized, they can generally function more reliable than human beings. This makes it easier to integrate various subsystems. Computers are therefore able to handle complex information systems effectively. However, one of the problems with this is that when computer does fail, there is often a major breakdown in the system, with many personnel unable to perform their work functions. Fifth one, cost. All the above advantages mean that computers have become highly cost effective providers of information. The process of substituting computer for human beings has revolutionized information oriented industries such as accountancy, banking, and insurance, and this process is continuing. Last one, presentation. More recently, emphasis has been placed on displaying information in as user-friendly a way as possible. Modern packages containing sophisticated word processors, spreadsheet, graphics combined with the development of color printers now enable boring reports to be presented in new and exciting ways. Next, we are going to discuss on the topic electronic waste and green computing. First of all, we can understand what is electronic waste. Electronic waste is the outcome of digital revolution. The rapid expansion of technology means that a very large amount of e-waste is created every minute. Electronic waste or e-waste may be defined as the discarded, obsolete, non-functional computers, office electronic equipment, entertainment device electronics, mobile phone, television sets, and refrigerators. This includes used electronics which are destined for reuse, resale, salvage, recycling, or disposal, as well as reusable and secondary scraps. The United States Environmental Protection Agency has estimated a 5% to 10% global increase in the generation of e-waste each year. They also estimated that only 15 to 20% of e-waste is recycled. The rest of these electronics go directly into landfills and incinerators. E-waste contain toxic substances such as mercury, lead, cadmium, arsenic, beryllium, etc. that may cause cancer, reproductive disorders, and many other health issues. Improper processing of e-waste can lead to adverse human health effects and environmental pollutions, such as groundwater contamination, atmospheric pollution, water pollution, etc. Besides adding harmful element to the environment, improper disposal of e-waste is a recycling opportunity lost. Almost all electronic waste contains some form of recyclable material, including plastic, glass, and metals. Next, we are going to discuss on the topic green computing, also known as green technology or clean technology, is the environmentally responsible and eco-friendly use of computers and electronic resources. It is also defined as the study of designing, engineering, manufacturing, using, and disposing of computing devices in a way that reduces their environmental impact. Green computing practice include the development of environmentally sustainable production practices, energy efficient computers and peripherals, reduced resource consumption, and proper disposal and recycling of electronic wastes. Green computing practices came into prominence in 1992 when the Environmental Protection Agency EPA of USA launched the Energy Star program. It is a voluntary labeling program to promote energy efficiency in electronic items like laptops, refrigerators, air conditioner, etc. Next, we are going to discuss four approaches for promoting green computing are green design, green manufacturing, green use, and green disposal. Let us look each one in detail. Green design means designing of energy efficient, eco-friendly computers, servers, and peripheral devices. Green manufacturing means environment friendly manufacturing process for computer and peripheral devices that minimize wastage and ecological impact. Green use means energy saving and eco-friendly usage of computers and peripheral devices. And the last one, green disposable means proper recycling or reusing or disposing of electrical or electronic or computing devices.